Ready to start raking in some serious cash in just a quarter of an hour? Let's dive into the wonders of Google Translate, a platform that can potentially have you pocketing $10, $12, $25, or even $50, and the best part is, it doesn't cost you a dime. Plus, it works globally and you'll love this. Daily payouts with a minimum withdrawal threshold of just $1. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by firing up your web browser and searching for Google Translate on your preferred search engine. With Google Translate, you can earn anywhere from $10 to $50 every 15 minutes, potentially stacking up to a whopping $200 in a single hour. Stay tuned as I'll guide you through the process step by step. Now, let's head over to Google Translate. Over at Google Translate, you can input any text you'd like to have translated into another language right here in this box. I'm currently translating into Dutch, as you can see. For example, if I type in something like, "How are you?" in English, it will be swiftly translated into Dutch. Now that you've got the hang of using Google Translate, let's take a quick detour to another webpage, CPAGrip.com, your gateway to unlocking this earning potential. Simply hit the register button to land on this page, where you'll need to fill in all the mandatory fields. Be sure to select GPD or website as your publisher type, as it's a surefire way to secure your approval. When they inquire how you found out about them, don't forget to mention that you discovered them on YouTube. Once you're connected to your account, you'll see your dashboard resembling the screenshot below. There are users on CPA Grip who've pulled in more than $250,000. This should reassure you this network is a trustworthy choice since they offer generous compensation. Now, we're all set to dive into using CPA Grip. The process is simple. First, opt for the offer tools, then provide tools, and finally, select a CPA offer from one of the top-notch English-speaking European countries to earn a slightly higher payout on CPA Grip. After that, you can essentially choose any of these CPA services. Let me illustrate with an example for the Netherlands. If I can do it, so can you. Just select one of these CPA deals. Let's go with this iPhone 14 offer, for instance. Given that our traffic source will be mobile devices, make sure to pick mobile offerings. In this case, I'll earn 1.71 cents for each successful completion. This is in addition to the $10 to $50 every 15-minute technique. By the way, all you need to do is copy your unique affiliate link from this spot, which will be distinct for each person. The next step involves visiting this website, which will put in money in your pocket even if you don't make any sales or earn any CPA commissions. This website goes by the name Shortern.com. For instance, if your traffic comes from Greenland, you'll be rewarded with $50. Views from Iceland will fetch you $30, and the same goes for other countries. The beauty of this traffic source I'm about to unveil is that it applies to all nations across the globe. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. As long as you follow my instructions to the letter, making this much money should be a breeze. Start by visiting shortyearn.com and creating a new account. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the My Dashboard page just like this. It's time to paste your affiliate link from CPA Grip into this section by clicking on New Shorten Link. Opt for a straightforward pseudonym and make sure not to set an expiration date. Then, hit Shorten and your shortened URL will be generated. Now, here's what you need to do if you want to direct traffic from the Netherlands. You'll earn $10 every 15 minutes from this traffic. I'll demonstrate the process for the Netherlands, but you can replicate these steps for any of the listed countries. Simply copy this URL and proceed to the next website, which is this one right here, Publisherlinkbirdies.com. This website functions much like a link shortener, but with an added twist. It will promote your link on its search engine. Think of it as an instant traffic source. To get started, visit publisher.linkbirdies.com and register for a free account. Once you log in, your interface will look something like this. The next step is to paste the shortened link URL from Shortern into the Create a Link box above and click the button. Next, verify that the CPA offers headline fits the character limit by copying and pasting it there. Check the box to proceed. Now, you'll want to copy and paste the CPA offers headline once more into the link title. It might prompt you that the text is too short and requires at least 40 characters to proceed. This is where Google Translate comes in handy. Just type a clickable phrase and Google Translate will provide the translation for you. Let's duplicate this phrase and insert it here. This should get it approved. To move forward, we need at least 100 characters in the link description. So, once again, just rephrase the same sentence to meet the 100 character requirement. Then, employ Google Translate to provide the translation. Copy and paste it here. Now, upload an image of the product you're promoting, like the iPhone 14. As you can see, here's how your search results will appear, and this will be your advertisement automatically displayed in the search engine. Notice that the image we uploaded is in Dutch, so Dutch traffic is what you'll attract. Finally, select the option to proceed to the next page. That's it! You'll now be paid by Linkbirdies each time someone clicks on that link, and you'll also receive direct compensation from CPA Grip. You can imagine the potential earnings by utilizing this strategy. And that's a wrap! Catch you in the next video! If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video!